The Hecis 10-foot by 10-foot backdrop stand kit offers generous coverage and adjustable dimensions that suit everything from tight home studios to larger event spaces. Its metal pipes and reinforced joints feel solid in use, giving the frame the strength needed to support heavy fabrics, flower walls, or layered decorations without wobbling. The weighted rectangular bases and thicker lower frame keep the stand steady on different floor surfaces, which is especially reassuring when people or children move around it during parties. Assembly is straightforward and tool-free, so one person can put the system together or take it down in a few minutes without wrestling with complicated hardware. The included carrying bag makes the whole kit surprisingly portable for a structure of this size, allowing easy transport between venues or convenient storage between events. Because it handles curtains, balloons, string lights, and photo backdrops equally well, this stand works as a versatile centerpiece for weddings, birthday parties, baby showers, and professional photography sessions.